Hi, I'm Wes Skilstra from the Wayne Skilstra team with Remax Escarpment, and if you're a retiree or downsizer looking for maintenance-free, one-floor living, then look no further than this stunning bungalow here in Jordan Village. This beautiful 2019 Phelps-built home with loads of builder upgrades is a quick walk to some amazing shops and restaurants and a short drive to tons of local wineries. For more information on how you can live here in the sought-after village of Jordan, just call or text me at 289-213-7337.